Sara Blakely cold called factories to start which clothing company? Sara Blakely cold called factories to start which clothing company? Now I'll give you 4 options and you try to guess which one from these 4 options is the correct answer for the question. And here is the list of the option. The first option is Pangs. The second option is Victoria's Secret. The third option is Brand, The Runway, and the last option is Prada. So from these 4 options, what do you think? Which one is the correct answer for the question? And now let me tell you what is the answer for the question. And the answer for the question is Pangs. So that is the answer for the question. It's Pangs. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you find this video very useful, you can help this channel to grow by subscribing to the channel. Click the subscribe button and like this video. And if you want to share it with your friend, just go ahead, click the share button and you can share it to any social media that you wish. And if you want to comment in this video, just go ahead, find comment section and comment. Say whatever you want in it. I think that's all of it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you again in another video. Bye bye.